Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Now this is a handheld gimbal. This is the second version. So the previous version was pretty famous, but it was a little expensive. Now this one is kind of cheap. So this one is, let me just show you the rate. Okay, on the box it says it's 10,999, but I got it from the Reliance digital store for 9,999, almost 10,000 rupees. So this comes in handy for people who want to get good cinematic shot and who actually have a job where they use the mobile to shoot videos, and even for pictures also it's fine, but it's mainly used for videos. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and then we'll see what all do we get with this and then talk about it later on. So let's get the unboxing knife. Okay, okay, that's removed. Okay, how does this open? Oh, okay, so there's another seal here. I have to remove that. Okay, now let's open it up. Okay, some paperwork. Okay, nothing else. Let's keep that aside. Okay, open it up. I think this way is up. Okay, so that's the gimbal. Some silica. Let me just take it out. Okay, that's the way it is. Now it's off. I don't know whether it's got some juice or not. Let me just try switching it on. Okay, I think there's no power in it. I'll have to charge it for some time, then we can see how this works. Okay, so basically you just get the gimbal and a charging cable. Now this is a micro USB charging cable which is used to charge this, and this one has a feature of charging your phone too. So you can just connect it over here and then charge your phone also. Okay, so before we take a look at the gimbal, let's look at what all does this pamphlet say. So this is the Osmo Shield. So basically this tells you about the warranty. So you have quality assurance, accidental hardware damage coverage, includes water damage, two-way free shipping. So all that is over here. So you'll have to contact them. They have a messenger. Basically they have a messenger chat support. So you can actually add them on Facebook Messenger and talk to them. Okay, what else? So we have a disclaimer and safety guidelines. So this will basically tell you how to use it. Don't throw it in fire and stuff. Don't drop it. All those things will be mentioned over here. This is the quick start guide. So please read this before you continue doing anything with the gimbal. So this actually shows you what all you have to do before this actually works. So it will not work out of the box. You put it on and it won't start stabilizing things and you cannot use the buttons. So you will have to install software. You will have to stabilize the stabilizer and then the gimbal, and only then will it work. So it tells you about all the buttons. So basically you have 4 buttons. Let me just show you that. Okay, so it has 4 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the zoom button, so that's self-explanatory, so you can zoom in and zoom out. This is the joystick. Now you have 2 functions with the joystick. You can either do left, right, up, down, and other than that you have an option of going free, but then for that you'll have to go into the app and then change it. So once you change it, then if you go free, then you can go whichever way you want. It will turn that side. The record button actually works with when you're in the picture mode, it'll take a picture when you press it, and if you keep it pressed, it'll take bus picture. So till the time you've kept it pressed, it'll keep on taking pictures. So cut, it'll go on that way. When you're in the record, when you're in the video mode, then this will start and stop the recording. Now this is the multifunction button. This actually controls a lot of things. You keep it pressed for 3 seconds, this switches on. You just press it gently once, it shows you the battery life. You press it 3 times, then it changes from back camera to front camera. Press it 3 times again, then front camera to back camera, so it switches the camera. Now you press it twice, this will bring the gimbal back to the starting stage. So whichever stage you are on, like maybe you are like this and you want the gimbal to come back to the starting stage, you just press it twice, it'll come back and then it'll stand like that. So all those functions are in this. Now this is very useful. It's a very useful tool. You can do a lot of things with it, but you need to learn how to use it first. Now I'll do a second video where I'll show you the setup. So how to set up the Osmose gimbal. So basically you have to do a balancing of the gimbal before it actually does the stabilizing for you. So that's another thing that a lot of people miss or don't do, because of which the gimbal doesn't function properly. So I'll be showing you that in the setup video. So let's look at the other things. So basically you have at the back, you have the USB port. So this can be used to charge other devices. So if I have maybe if I have gone out for a shoot, now since this one can go on for 15 hours and it's fully charged, I can use some of its juice to charge one of my phones. So in case my phone is dying out of battery and I still have to shoot some more, I can just connect the cable, even the cable that I got with this, to the phone and then charge it. So this is a micro USB one. I don't have a device with micro USB. So in case you want to use it for an iPhone or maybe a Type-C phone, you can use a different cable. So other cables are also supported. So that's basically it. So that's what you get with this. Now the entire body is made of plastic, but it's pretty sturdy, solid. You won't find any creaks or any problems with this. The only metal that you'll see are these two knobs. So you can actually change this one. So this one has the option of changing from portrait mode to a landscape mode to a portrait mode. So you just have to open this up, pull this and then turn it like that. Now it's gone to portrait mode. Now I pull it back, turn it like this. Now it's in landscape mode. So that was missing from the previous version, so they have added that in the second version. So that's it for this video. Basically this is just a unboxing video, so I'm not putting the rest of the things here. I'm going to make a second video that'll be published right after this one. So in that I'll be showing you how to set up the gimbal with an iOS and a Android device, and I'll also show you how to manually balance the gimbal before you actually start shooting. That's the part which a lot of people don't do, because of which the gimbal doesn't work properly and the battery life goes less. Now if you have to first balance the gimbal, only then will it do a good job at stabilizing it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.